children, in this video class we are doing questions on laws of exponents. First question we are taking, this is from exercise 1.6. It's written 2 to the power 2 by 3 and 2 to the power 1 by 3. These two are in product and we have to solve this. So what is the special thing here? The bases are same and these two are written in multiplication. So we can use here this law of exponent. If bases are same and these two are in product and their exponents are different, then in this is a to the power x and this is a to the power y. Their bases are same and these are two exponents x and y. So in product these exponents gets added. We can add these two exponents here and it will be a to the power x plus y. So exponents get added when bases are same. So the same thing we are using here. You see bases are same, so exponents get added. We get 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. We are solving this taking LCM and we are getting this. This can be written as 2 to the power 3 upon 3 and on solving it will be 2 to the power 1 and answer will be 2 only. Let us take one more example. एक और एग्जाम्पल हम लेते हैं. इसमें लिखा हुआ है 7 की पावर 1 by 5, 7 की पावर 1 by 3, but these two are written in division. So both are written in division. Now we will use law of exponent of division. If bases are same but these are the exponents and these are written in division, so in division case these exponents get subtracted. बेस वी विल राइट वन टाइम, हम दोनों का एक ही जगह बेस लिखेंगे, लेकिन ये एक्सपोनेंट सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएंगी दोनों, यानी x माइनस वाई. सो द सेम थिंग वी आर डूइंग हियर. अब हम यहाँ पर भी यही लॉ लगा रहे हैं. बेस इज सेम सो एक्सपोनेंट विल गेट सब्ट्रैक्टेड. वी डिड लाइक दिस. वी टुक LCM and on simplification we are getting this. Hopefully this is clear. Now let us come on one more example. हम एक और एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. ये थोड़ा सा अलग तरीके का है, इसको भी देखें आप. It's written 125 and its whole power is 1 upon 3. And what will I do? I'll do prime factors of this 125. Can I write its prime factors like this? And whole to the power 1 by 3. I can write this as 5 to the power 3 and whole to the power 1 by 3. Now I am using this another law of exponent. If a to the power x is there and there is one more exponent out of this, that is y. This whole exponent is also there, that is y. Then these two exponents get multiplied. It means I get a to the power x into y. So the same thing I am doing here. These two exponents will get multiplied. This 3 and 1 by 3 are getting multiplied. And on solving, I am getting 5 to the power 1 or 5 as the answer. So when there is one exponent and outside that there is one more exponent, then these two exponents get multiplied and this way this is the result and I just get like this. Let us have one more example. Here 7 to the power half and 8 to the power half. This is the question. Now bases are different but their exponents are same. So we can use this law of exponent here. Bases are different but exponents are same. Then these two bases get clubbed in one bracket and whole to the power x. यानी ये दोनों जो एक्सपोनेंट हैं ये एक ही एक्सपोनेंट बन जाएंगी और ये जो दोनों बेसेस हैं ये एक साथ क्लब हो जाएंगे, मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगे एक ही ब्रैकेट के अंदर. यही प्रॉपर्टी हम यहाँ यूज़ कर रहे हैं. 7 into 8 it's coming within one bracket and whole to the power half. So it becomes on solving 56 to the power half. Hopefully this is clear.